Okay, this tangle is called meer, and it's a border tangle, so it develops inside of a stripe. So we're going to put our stripe right down the middle of this big section. And then we're going to put a thin stripe on each side. Now I usually like to put circles or perfs, we call them different things, in here for the border.
Just sort of nestling them in there, squeezing them in.
Take your time, don't do them too fast because they'll kind of go outside your lines here.
And it's fun to do it.
Just take your time, really enjoy doing these nice little circles. Get into a rhythm. And it doesn't take that long. Even if you take your time, it doesn't take that long. This is not a race.
And you can sort of squish them in. They don't have to be perfectly round.
Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a curvy line right down the middle of this big stripe. Then we're going to draw a V. Goes from here to there. Got it?
With the tip of the V right at some point on the curvy line.
Right. So now we're going to put an aura. We're going to just draw that straight line exactly the same way all the way down our stripe. Mimic that angle. And then the same thing up here.
And if you want to turn your tile at that point so you can see which way you're going. Just keeping that same angle. So these are parallel lines.
Now I'm going to go on the other side and do that same line right there. And on the way up.
That looks really neat.
Very cool, huh? So if you were going to shade this, I would choose one side of the curved line and maybe give that some shading in here, just one side. And that's going to give quite a bit of dimension to it. So it's going to look like, oh, the sun's hitting it on this side. It's very cool. And then you can do a little bit of shading right on either side of these circles. Cool.
That's really beautiful.
That's called meer, M-E-E-R. Isn't that fun? I love that.